Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kenneth here, and today we're diving deep into the world of GPUs, AI, and some serious tech drama brewing in the East. You know, I love breaking down the latest and greatest in tech, but this isn't just about specs and benchmarks. This is about a potential power shift in the industry. We're talking about DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company, and their bold move away from the industry giant NVIDIA. They're opting for homegrown Chinese GPUs instead, and it has everyone wondering, can these new players really compete? Is NVIDIA's reign coming to an end? Stick around because we're about to unpack all of this, the challenges, the innovations, and what it all means for the future of AI. Let's get into it. For years, the GPU game has been dominated by a select few, with NVIDIA sitting comfortably at the top. But the landscape is changing, and a new generation of Chinese GPU makers are stepping up to the plate. Companies like Byron Technology and More Threads are making waves with their own high-performance chips designed specifically with AI workloads in mind. We're talking serious processing power, capable of handling the massive datasets and complex algorithms that power today's AI revolution. But it's not just about raw power. These new GPUs are also being lauded for their efficiency and cost-effectiveness, two factors that could be game-changers in the rapidly evolving world of AI development. Now before we crown a new king, let's get real for a second. Building cutting-edge chips is no walk in the park. It's a complex and demanding process, requiring incredible precision and expertise. Chinese manufacturers have faced their fair share of hurdles, from navigating strict export controls on essential equipment to grappling with the steep learning curve of advanced semiconductor manufacturing. But despite these obstacles, they've shown remarkable resilience and ingenuity. They're investing heavily in research and development, attracting top talent, and constantly refining their manufacturing processes. Chapter 3. More Threads, the next big thing. One name that keeps popping up in these conversations is More Threads, a relatively young company that's already making a big splash. They've burst onto the scene with their Musei and Chungxiao GPUs, boasting impressive specs and performance benchmarks. But what makes More Threads particularly interesting is their focus on software ecosystem development. They understand that hardware is only half the battle, and they're putting a lot of effort into building a robust software platform that's both developer-friendly and optimized for their GPUs. This holistic approach could be key to attracting developers and gaining wider adoption, which is crucial for any new player looking to challenge the established order. Chapter 4. Efficiency is king, training smarter, not harder. Here's the thing about AI, it's incredibly data-hungry. Training these massive models requires an immense amount of computational power, which translates to a lot of energy consumption and, you guessed it, a hefty price tag. That's why efficiency is paramount, and it's an area where these new Chinese GPUs are looking particularly strong. We're talking about innovative architectures and algorithms designed to squeeze every ounce of performance out of each watt of power. Think of it like this. It's not just about having a bigger engine, it's about having a more fuel-efficient engine that can go the distance. And in the long run, that's what's going to make a real difference. Chapter 5. Zuck started it all. The Metaverse effect. You might be wondering, what does Mark Zuckerberg have to do with all of this? Well, believe it or not, his Metaverse ambitions have played a significant role in accelerating AI and GPU development. The Metaverse, with its vision of immersive virtual worlds, demands unprecedented levels of processing power, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with current technology. This surge in demand has created a sort of gold rush in the tech industry, with companies scrambling to develop the hardware and software needed to power these next-generation experiences. And that brings us right back to DeepSeek's decision. Outro: the future of AI, more open, more competitive. So, is NVIDIA out? Not so fast. They're still a force to be reckoned with, and they're not going down without a fight. But one thing's for sure, the GPU landscape is changing, and it's becoming more exciting and competitive than ever before. The rise of Chinese GPU makers is shaking things up, bringing new innovations and challenging the status quo. This is great news for consumers like you and me, as it will likely lead to faster, more efficient, and more affordable AI technology in the future. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.